In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view form submissions in Jotform in just 5 minutes. This simple process will allow you to seamlessly access and manage your form data, ensuring you're always up to date with the most crucial information. First things first, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Don't worry, it's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Jotform dashboard, which is your hub for all things Jotform related. From here, navigate to the section labeled My Forms. This is where all of your existing forms are listed and is essentially your control center for managing forms you've created or to which you have access. Make sure you're comfortable in this section as it holds the key to viewing your submissions. Next, you'll want to locate the form for which you'd like to see the submissions. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial to ensure you click on the correct form to avoid any confusion. Once you've found your form, hover your mouse over it. On the right side, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This More menu is packed with handy options, but for now, we're focused on accessing submissions. An alternative route is to access submissions directly from the menu at the top of the page. This is a very handy shortcut if you're juggling multiple tasks and need to streamline your workflow. Another quick access method is by clicking on the submissions link located directly below the form title. Jotform offers these multiple routes to make data access as flexible and user-friendly as possible. Once you've entered the submissions section, you'll be presented with all the submissions for that specific form. This view gives you direct control over your data and allows you to sort and manage submissions to suit your needs. Whether you need to review specific information or download it for external use, all these options are at your fingertips. And that's it. Thanks to your workspace, Jotform makes viewing submissions a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you've equipped yourself with the ability to efficiently manage your form data. If you ever need to revisit or check form submissions again, remember it takes just a few clicks to regain access. Enjoy exploring the data you've collected and make the most of the insights you're able to gather. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.